What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with another boxing. This time I'm unboxing a box from Chance Sports. So I went to the mall. I saw the Air Jordan 1 Jeter, the ones that just came out, I think, last year or this year. Was it last? I think it was last year. They were there. They only had a size 11, but the guy at the mall checked online and he was able to send me the shoes to my house. All right, so I got them in size 10, obviously. So let's get right into it. Open it like that, easy. No problem, bro. No problem. Now your boy is strong. You know your boy's strong. Throw the shit. Put that shit out of here. You know, typical Air Jordan 1. You guys seen this shit all over the internet. Nothing new. No special shit, you know. Just saying the truth here. You got the label, size 10, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black White. So these are white and black. 160. I paid 163, I believe. The shipping was $3, whatever. That's what he's telling me. Oh shoot! Gotta delete that. No price on this, but I'm 100% it was 163. All right. See right there. Tissue paper, garbage. Now you see the shoe right here, bud. Oh god. Alright, let's go with this one first. No inserts. What the laced already? Bro, laced already? More easier for me. These shouldn't be laced. Let's see. Alright, that one's not laced. This when you get the new, shouldn't be laced. So you can tell these were either returned and someone tried them on. Leather is pretty okay actually. So soft, but not that soft. You can see it's from it's white and black, looking like a shadow, but in reality it's not even a shadow. It's just white and black. And you can see this. So this is 3M. I will show some pictures of them. I really don't want to do a video, but maybe I'll do it. We'll see. I'll do a video. So here we go. There's 3M. You see, lights it all up. Looks almost all white. Just that there's letters. Looking really nice. All of the shoes just reflective, except the white, obviously not reflective, but it looks reflective. And you can see. Let's close up, boys. You can read it. I can't read for shit, so rest in peace. I'm just fucking with you guys. Fearless, obviously, boy. We out here fearless. No fear. Gotta be focused, you know. Bless. Thank God, obviously, every time. Discipline. You gotta discipline your wife, your children, you know. You gotta go hard. Boy, you know. Respect the elders. That's what we gotta do around these blocks. You gotta lead all these people, you know, they're scared of everything. You gotta lead them. To be fearless, bud. You gotta be fearless. Fuck yeah. $360 real fast. Man, this shoe looks so good with that 3M. Looks so nice. Damn, boy. That's pretty cool. I'll go see even around here. That's pretty cool. Leather on top is kind of stiff. Not that. I don't think this is even a leather. It's just plastic shit or something. Back on the bottom you got the black. Also, meteor side you got white. You got the Nike Air white on the back. Do you have something important? No, it looks the same. Same as all of them. I'll show you the other one so you can see how they should come in when they're new. This shit is taking off, so I'm fucking just do that shit out. Oh shit. Laces has that black and white flayed. Is that right there? Pretty nice, pretty nice. That's pretty cool. These were another slept on Air Jordan 1s. Maybe the Air Jordan 1s are just being slept on because there's so many of them. So yeah. So you got the same shoe, you know, just without being laced. Boy. Inside you got the respect my name, you know. Derek Jeter, respect my name, you know, respect, you know, that's pretty nice. Insert black soft mesh in there. Tag, really nice shoe. I really like it. I really dig. So yeah, that's what's up with that. We haven't had any Jordans that are white and black, looking like Royals and Breads, like how this is perceived, basically. There you got a stamp on that bitch. Give you a 360 view, or I'll give you a close up actually, just so you guys can feel it. Leather not too soft, just saying. Don't expect shit to be fire. You see, focus, boy. You gotta focus on the grind. Passion, lead, respect your name, boy. Really nice shoe. Really like it. I already said that like 12 times, but I mean, fuck. Air Jordan 1, boy. Can't go wrong with Air Jordan 1s. There we go. Looking really nice. Yeah, that weight right there. Alright guys, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Obviously, I'm here. I'll answer your questions. No doubt, I got barely any subscribers, so I got you, fams. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.